Welcome back, guys. In this session I'm going to show you how you can make this number pattern program using Java. So now here whatever pattern they give, first put a box around it and write down how many rows are there and how many columns are there. Here I have mentioned as I have taken I as rows. I represent rows and J will represent the number of columns. So here, as I have said, that I will start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I loop I have written over here. Okay, so I starts from 1, I should be less than or equal to 5 and I plus plus. So inside I loop I will start a J loop for the number of columns. So J also starts from 1, J should be less than or equal to 5 and J plus plus. In this loop we are going to print our numbers. Okay, now this number, when the J loop starts, it should be 1. Then it should increment itself as soon as it prints itself. So then again it increments itself to 3, increments itself to 4 and 5. So once the J loop ends, when I becomes 2, means when the I loop starts one more time. So the next line of code it is going to find is that number has been initialized to 1 itself. So for this trick, what we have to do, inside the I loop I'm going to initialize a value which starts from 1, integer num equal to 1 here, inside the I loop, and inside the J loop that particular number value we are going to print like this. Now inside this loop, this J loop is going to run 5 times. Actually it's going to run 6 times, but 6 times the condition will fail, but that's not the problem here. For our particular number we are going to print that particular number which is 1, and as soon as we print that number we are going to increment that number inside the J loop itself like this, number plus plus. Then once this J loop ends, system.out.println will make the control come to the next line where I equal to 2, which means the I loop starts one more time. So the next line of code it is going to find is integer num value has been changed to 1 again. So it will enter the J loop and it is going to print the value of num which will be 1. Again here from the starting. Then as soon as it prints itself, it is going to increment. So 1 becomes 2, then 2 becomes 3, 3 becomes 4 and 5. Once it is done, it is going to change the line one more time. So which means I loop is going to run one more time and I will be 3, and again the next line of code it is going to find is integer num is equal to 1. So now let's save this program and let's run it once. We are going to get a 5 by 5 pattern where the number starts from 1 every time the I loop starts. So this is how you are going to print this particular pattern. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next topic.